Hey there, Canva creators! Welcome back to my channel Learn to Earn Minds. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing AI tool in Canva called Megic Expand. So, what is Megic Expand? Well, it's a fantastic feature that uses AI to help you easily resize and expand your designs without losing any important details. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation slide, or any other type of design, Megic Expand makes it super simple to adjust your layouts. You can only use the Megic Expander in Canva if you have a paid account. If you don't have a paid version, you can watch the video in the I button to use it for free. Let's dive right in and see how it works. As a first step, we go to Canva and select our size. Click on Create Design. I will select the YouTube thumbnail. You will be able to access this interface. I will now click Uploads. Then click Upload File. Click on the file you want to select. I'll choose this one. Select the picture by clicking it. Then click Edit Image. Now click Megic Expand. I'll start by clicking Freedom. I can now select the area in which I want to expand my image. Then click Megic Expand. We found 4 results. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, it expanded the image in the selected area. There are many sizes available. Depending on your needs, you can choose any size. Let's take a look at this whole page. Now click the Megic Expand button. Now you can see how beautiful the expanded pictures are. Click Generate New Results. If you are not satisfied with the result, new results will be generated. As you can see, it has generated new results. Once you are satisfied with the result, click Done. You can download it by clicking Share. Click on Download. You can increase the image's size. Then click Download. The image will be downloaded. And that's it! Megic Expand is a game changer for anyone who uses Canva regularly. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Canva and other creative tools. See you in the next video.